Hey there! Today on the Stay at Home Chef, we're going down memory lane and cooking up a super easy, scrumptious French bread pizza. It's a perfect meal for those busy weeknights, and it tastes like childhood in every bite. So let's get started. First thing first, we're going to preheat our oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab a loaf of French bread and slice it in half lengthwise. This is the foundation for our pizza goodness. The next thing we need to do is create a garlicky, buttery spread that's going to elevate this French bread pizza. In a mixing bowl, I'm going to add in 8 ounces of softened salted butter, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of oregano. Mix that together until it's well combined. Then we're going to spread this heavenly mixture across each cut side of the bread. Now that that is evenly spread, I'm going to sprinkle about 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese onto that. It's like giving it a delicious cheesy little hug. I love this. Now we're going to bake this for about 5 minutes in that preheated oven. It's like we're giving the bread a suntan before it goes swimming in pizza sauce. By doing this, we won't have soggy pizza. Now it's time for the pizza making. I'm going to use about 1 to 1.5 cups of pizza sauce and spread that evenly over the bread. Then I'm going to put about 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese on top of that sauce layer. Finally, add on your favorite toppings, and I'm just doing simple pepperoni here, but ham, sausage, mushrooms, olives, the sky is the limit, just like your pizza dreams. Then we simply pop this back in the oven for 10 to 12 more minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and browned. The anticipation might be too much to handle, but trust me, it's worth it. Then once your masterpiece is out of the oven, let it cool for just a few minutes and slice it up. Thanks for watching as I share a childhood favorite. You can find more of our recipes at thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.